Our selection is going to be Reggie Lewis.
No, you want to see a great player? Y'all probably don't know. Don't look up Reggie Lewis. Go YouTube that.
It's a great honor to be asked to raise the flag for Reggie Lewis.
What if one place could ignite a dream and turn it into a legacy? What if greatness wasn't something distant or rare, but something we build together, step by step?
I think when people kind of see that name, Reggie Lewis, at the front of the building, there's instant credibility.
It's an honor to compete in the facility named after Reggie Lewis because Reggie Lewis is just like me. He played, he worked hard, he worked out, he got to the end goal. I want to be just like that.
For over 3 decades, the Reggie Lewis Track and Athletics Center has been more than a venue. It's been a starting line for possibility, and you're invited to take your place.
Reggie was the embodiment of integrity. When he showed his love for, he wasn't looking for nothing in return. So he would probably be really, truly amazed with this facility that's named in his honor.
I think the facility itself serves that legacy so beautifully, giving back to the community that he gave so much to in his short time here.
Because here, it's not just about how fast you finish, it's about how boldly you begin. It's about that first stride toward health, toward hope, toward a future where everyone belongs on the track, not just the privileged few.
So for people to see all that's been accomplished in these last 52 years and to see what's happened with the Reggie over the last 30 years, yes, people are very proud. Yes, people see these monuments of success for them. And I think that that's very important to perpetuate that.
Inspired by Reggie Lewis's enduring legacy of excellence, generosity, and heart, this center is a promise kept of creating access, equity, and opportunity. It's where barriers are broken and new paths are paved, where wellness becomes a right, not a reward. Because when we open doors, we don't just make space, we create history. A home for record breakers and first-timers. A space where records are written and victories are just as powerful. Here, what if becomes why not, and finally, what is. This is a 30-year anniversary that is a celebration of greatness, of legends, of history, big and small, unfolding again and again.
And I understand what a good man is supposed to do because my mom always talked about my dad in the highest regards. So Reggie Lewis to me is love.
This is what 30 years of being an icon looks like, and we're just getting started. This is the Reggie.